Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to safely undo African threading after a full week of protective styling. I like to prep my hair by applying a little bit of oil to my fingertips. This helps to reduce friction and also minimizes breakage while removing the thread. So I use coconut oil. Now, to remove the African threading, I start by locating the end of the thread of each section. You know, I tied it into a knot, so I carefully loosen it with my fingers. But if the knot is too tight, I can use my scissors to snip just the thread to make sure I don't cut my actual hair. Once the end is free, I gently start unwinding the thread in the opposite direction it was wrapped. I make sure to really go slowly as I listen to my hair so I don't cause a lot of tangling. If the thread is too long, I could cut it in sections as I go to make the process easier. The best part about African threading is that it keeps my hair super stretched without heat, which makes detangling easier to do. After all the thread is out, I take a moment to just separate my hair with my fingers. This helps to remove any clumped sections and also prevents excessive breakage when I comb it out. Now that my hair is fully free, I use my wide tooth comb to gently detangle from the ends, working my way up to the roots. Remember, when you're detangling, it's always good to start from the tips and work your way up to avoid unnecessary breakage. And once my hair is fully detangled, I fluff it out to create that beautiful voluminous afro look. When I was done, for a simple yet elegant style, I just took the front section of my hair and I lightly tucked it back and secured it with a bobby pin. This just gives my afro a cute and effortless shape while keeping my hair stretched before wash day. And that's it. My hair is fully stretched, it's soft, and it's ready for wash day. I really love how African threading keeps my hair healthy while helping me achieve this fluffy afro. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't for more natural hair and hair care videos, and let me know in the comment section how you style your hair after taking down a protective hairstyle. See you in the next one. Bye.